7 people have recently lost their lives to coronavirus in Douglas County, and public health officials say it all leads back to one person's careless actions. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Emma Jerome, filling in for Matt and Renee this Christmas Eve. KEZI 9 News reporter Avita Garza shows us why they're concerned about super spreaders in the area in tonight's top story.
In Douglas County, it only took one person for tragedy to strike.
This is what happens, and if we're going to try and keep this disease down.
Public health officials say 7 people died of COVID after one person went to work when they knew they were sick. They say that person also caused another outbreak that put 300 people in quarantine. They have not said who the person is or where they work, but Public Health Officer Bob Dannenhofer says situations like this are frustrating, especially because of the recent spike in cases and deaths.
We're still seeing, our high death week was in the last 2 weeks.
On top of super spreader actions, Dannenhofer says Douglas County is also struggling with super spreader events.
The super spreader events were social and other gatherings that cause a lot of spread of disease.
Dannenhofer says there were 5 super spreader events in the month of November, and he says that's one of the main causes for the recent spike in cases. However, with cases decreasing in recent weeks, Dannenhofer says he's hopeful it will stay that way until everyone in the county is vaccinated. In Roseburg, Avita Garza, KEZI 9 News.